Pippins. Welcome to Simon's mini scary episode. I know it may not be evening when you're watching this, but I say evening because evening is scary and scary is cool. So let's get right down to it. I'm gonna scare my classmates.
No lesson today. I like that.
I like the English lessons.
And Simon likes the kitchen.
Has anyone seen Günther? What's that? This is scary. I don't like that.
And Simon eat them?
No, Simon, we don't eat that.
That was really scary. I think that was Günther. Shall we eat him?
I think I know how we can scare Günther. I think I just peed in my pants. I don't even have any pants. What's wrong with me?
Yeah, I think I got him. Günther's the best. I'm so cool. I scared all of them. Oh, hey, what's going on? Hey, what is this? No, what? Hearts? Are you kidding me? No, that is so uncool, man. I'm telling you. No, get away from me. No. Oh, that's disgusting. You guys are, oh no,
Hope you peed in your pants too. We love you too, Günther.
Gotcha, Günther. I wanted to eat you.